odogwu onumaga na gị na onye na-azọ oyi nwana ya eze nke izizi bịa kanali nwanne obubulu akụ.
Resilient, charming, proud, enterprising, independent, innovative, industrious, and adventurous are some of the words you can use to describe the Igbo people. Igbo are one of the largest and most influential tribes in Africa, well known for their entrepreneurial endeavors both within Nigeria and around the world.
Emesia igenwe libe ni fadigo onyoma imasirimu onyoma imasirimu onyoma idimumma onyoma Adamma bia kisiemu iji love ebu mebu oh ihonanya maka iji ni love ebu mo oh idi n'otu maka iji love ebu ibugo mo oh ibugo mo oh ibugo mo oh ibugo mo oh ibugo mo.
Igbo people are one of Africa's most fascinating and enigmatic nations, with a population projected to be over 50 million people scattered all over the world. Although native to southeastern Nigeria, the Igbo people are well-traveled. Their quest for success, especially in business and education, has taken them to every part of the world, making them Africa's most traveled tribe. The Igbo homeland is divided into two unequal sections by the river Niger, with the eastern section being the larger of the two. While Anambra people of Delta State occupy the western section, Enugu, Anambra, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, and River State occupy the eastern section.
Emesia igenwe libe ni fadigo onyoma imasirimu onyoma idimumma onyoma imasirimu onyoma idimumma onyoma imasirimu onyoma idimumma onyama imasirimu onyama idimumma onyama imasirimu onyama idimumma onyama.
The Igbo people speak the Igbo language, which belongs to the Niger-Congo language family. Like most of the other languages of the West African language families, Igbo is a tonal language with many dialects. Igbo people celebrate lots of unique, entertaining, and colorful festivals. The most important traditional festivals among the Igbo people is the New Yam Festival, Igwaro Festival, Ofala Festival, Mount Festival, Iwakwa Festival, a rite of passage ceremony celebrated to initiate the young men into manhood, among others.
Adamali bife, asingita bifalo, emesia yigenwe, libe ni fadigo onyoma, imasirimu, onyoma, idi mumao, onyoma, imasirimu, onyoma, idi mumao, onyoma, imasirimu. Onyama, idi mumao, onyama.
Igbo people are known to be very smart, hardworking, and very beautiful, especially their women, making them one of the most sought after in Nigeria. It is a thing of pride to have an Igbo woman as a wife. Although the Igbo people come in different shapes and sizes, they are believed to be the most light-skinned black Africans.
Bifalo, emesia higenwe, libe ni fadigo onyoma, imasirimu, onyoma, idi mumao, onyoma, imasirimu, onyoma, idi mumao, onyoma.
While many of the Igbos have settled in different parts of the world, most of them still live in their villages and work as farmers and traders. Igbo people believe that one does not sit in one place while watching a masquerade. No matter the ups and downs in their struggle to survive, an Igbo person believes that giving up is never an option.
ịdị m mma onye ọma. Bifalo, que me se aigueme, libe ni fadigo onyama, imaserimo, onyama, idi mumma, onyama, imaserimo, onyama, idi mumma.